spirit, his dad argued, slamming his hand on the desk. School should be fun, not some prison where kids can't express themselves. His mom nodded vigorously and added, he's going to be an entrepreneur someday, not some corporate drone. They demanded Liam be moved to a more progressive classroom that would appreciate his energy and nurture his unconventional thinking. His mom threatened to transfer him to private school if they didn't accommodate his special needs. His dad warned that they'd complain to the principal about Mr. Morgan's rigid teaching methods. Mr. Morgan listened quietly to their demands, taking notes while they ranted. He nodded thoughtfully when they finished their speech. Then he looked up with a slight smile and said he'd arranged something very special for Liam. The next week, he invited Liam to help demonstrate proper classroom behavior to a group of visiting kindergartners from the school next door. His parents came to watch their free spirit showcase his natural leadership abilities to younger students. The